Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to try to get the injectors installed on the Red Demon. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to try to get the fuel pressure regulator installed and get the injectors installed on the Red Demon. Go ahead and get those in, then we can put the heater hose tube in that runs the hot water from the front of the motor back to the heater core and all that good stuff. And maybe we'll try to get the valve cover set in place, but you know, we'll try not to make these videos super long, man, because it takes a while to edit these bad boys. But I don't know if you guys saw the video where I took the stuff out of the box, but as you see, we got the air motive fuel pressure regulator, LMR, so we got that through. And today we are going to use the original ones, fuel rails. Like I said before, I am not going to buy no aftermarket one, man, because those things are stupid expensive. And there's really no good reviews whatsoever on the BBKs. The air motive, yeah, but the air motives are like 700 something bucks, man. That's just way out of my budget. So we're going to utilize the stock ones, put them back on. But what we're going to do real quick is we're going to go ahead and swap this right here out, and then we'll install the injectors. All right, let's see if we can't get this off. I did pick up some dielectric spark plug grease. This is what we're going to use on the O-rings on the injectors. So I did pick up a pack of that. Don't want to use no kind of petroleum jelly. So that means stay out of KY, guys. Oh, hey. All right, let's get this thing swapped out real quick. I remember putting this thing on here a long time ago, man. It's back before I had a shop. These rails aren't the prettiest things in the world, but they will work. Guys, we got everything bolted up. Some stuff still kind of loosely on it, like the upper intake and all that good stuff, but as you can see, we made pretty good progress today. I hate I time-lapsed everything, but that was the best that I could do to be able to get all of it in a short amount of time, but you all get the gist of it. And I did use on the valve cover gaskets, of course, some Permatex high-tack gasket sealer. I did use some more of that stuff, man. And we did use cork gaskets, just old school Fel-Pro cork gasket. We got Fel-Pro gaskets on the whole thing, everything we've done so far. But we did use cork gaskets. You can use cork gaskets, guys. Don't be scared to use cork gasket. The main thing to a cork gasket is do not over tighten it. If you over tighten it, then you pretty much screwed it up. But you can always use cork gaskets. There's nothing wrong with cork gaskets, man. I'll show you guys real quick. If I can get them out over here. I do have a set of Fel-Pro rubber gaskets, man. I bought these a long time ago. These are expensive gaskets and they leak. I do not like them, to be honest with you. So that's why I didn't reuse the things, man. That's why I went back with cork gaskets, because I know cork gaskets work really well as long as you, like I said, as long as you don't over tighten them, they'll work just fine. But we'll spin around and take a look at it real quick, and then we'll get ready to wrap this up. Now, as you see, guys, we got everything buttoned up, nice and tight. Just got this sitting up there. Still need to get a thermostat housing. Still need to get the hoses. A few things still need to order, but I did put the heat shield on the feed line. It's just kind of loosely on there because we still got to finish cinching everything down, bolting this to the header and all that good stuff. But as you see, everything is looking good, man. Nice and neat as we can possibly get it. But everything looks good, man. I'm really pleased with everything so far, and I'm super happy with the paint that we painted everything with. It looks good on the car. But there we go, guys. Hopefully in the next video we'll go ahead and get the new thermostat housing on, get the thermostat installed, the hoses and all that good stuff. I need to get ordering some stuff, but that's about as far as I can go right now without more parts, of course. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, drop me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. I know my OG commenters have dropped me one. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate all the subscribers to the channel. I appreciate all the new subscribers to the channel. Keep watching, guys. We still got a lot left to do on the Red Demon, and I will catch you guys in the next one.